Hi, I am Yawadi.
Hi, I am Nam Kalaya.
What we going to cook today?
Today we cook
Apla. Apla. Ap is the northern word that we cook meat or some food wrapped into the banana leaf and grill it on the charcoal stove. So that's one we call apla. Apla. Today applied fish, so we're going to cook with fish. Yeah. We cook this dish because now is the season for hom chu. This is our ingredient here. Hom chu. What is it? Hom chu. Hom chu is like mountain root onion. Like the onion root is this one here. It's only in this season from October to January. Okay. We're going to use this part to cook, but also here it's like if they look very similar with spring onion, they also use the leaf to cook as well. But today we cut off the leaf and we only use the root, right? And what else? This one is saw. Saw leaf. And this one coriander, pakchi, and spring onion. Okay, we move here to here. So this is tilapia. Yeah, this is our local fish, like growing naturals. Yeah. And this one is dry roasted smoked chili. Yeah. And this one is fresh chili, garlic, and rock salt. Okay. And this one, this one is very. This dish is what it makes this dish very special is we call this one sima. Sima is this is Akha language. Yes. Okay. Sima is the big tree up on the mountain. Normally they have a tiny fruit and it's green color, and after they ripe they get red color, and then people over there they harvest it when they fresh and red, and then they dry it so they look like this. It's a little bit like this brown. Yeah, it's a brown color, and it smells sour. Yeah, and then after that they will grind it here. So they ground it already, become a powder. So this one you can keep for how long? Maybe you keep for a long time. Yeah, you can keep it like this to keep the whole things. And then this one you just pound it or you just ground it, and then it's become powder, and you can cook when it's powder. Okay, so this one, what special this ingredient? What is special with them? If they keep the sour flavor in here. We're going to keep some like sour into the fish.
Yeah.
With the chili, with some spices, and only flavor like seasonal salt, just only salt in here, and also the garlic. And we can now maybe we can start to cook. Good. Okay, so now we're going to start to make.
Yeah.
But then we start to make the paste first, right? How much we have to put in? We put some chili in it, some dry chili. Maybe like 1 tablespoon. Yeah, can you put it in? Maybe I can help you pound it. About 7 spoons of chili.
1 tablespoon
garlic. Yeah. Yeah. And then we're going to add some fresh chili in it. Yeah. You like spicy, we can add it more. Depends how much
spicy.
If you don't like to spicy flavor, you don't have to add it more, or just add it less. So this one has to be really fine, very fine.
Rock
add salt in. How much salt?
1 spoon.
Is it maybe it's like teaspoon
Oh,
first? Maybe we can taste. Maybe we can get a teaspoon.
Small.
Okay. Yeah. So just add in here. Okay. So this is like Thai modern pesto. Also you can use your blender too. If you don't have this at home, no problem. For the spicy level, you can just adjust it yourself. This one has to be unified. Salt, the rock salt will help to pound it finer, easy to pound. Yeah. So now maybe you can start to cut your onion root. What do you call in Akha language again?
I can't language.
For this one, Gucci. Gucci. Mountain.
Chi is a root.
Chi is the root. I see. Who is onion? Oh, I see. And now, how much salt leaf? Yeah. And then some coriander and some spring onions. I think when I saw this much, I think we might add a little bit more salt in. Yeah. Can you pass me the salt, please? Okay, just a little bit more, otherwise it's too salty. Okay, that's good. Okay, it's the last one. Okay. With the fish. Okay, here we go. Put in here. The tilapia actually we just fillet.
Wow.
You can use any kind of fish as well. You don't need to use tilapia. Any kind of fish is fine. But this one just the local and natural grow around the area. Just mix them all. The more is better. You have to flip it to mix. We can flip it. We can use our hand, no problem. Okay. And then this one also flip it here. And then mix it very well here. And then we're not gonna forget our special ingredient. What is it again? Sigma. Okay. Okay, now we just put it on top. You can use your hand. Just maybe you just like spray it a bit. Nice. So we have to do the other side as well? Yeah, so we do it. So I turn it for you. And then you 2 spoons and we turn it. We turn it this way. Ooh, look at that. Looks really good already. Okay. Maybe a little bit more here.
Fast สมาธิดูดีที่สุดที่เคยทำ
if you cook this one at home, you don't have the banana leaf, so you can use the foil after you seasoning the fish, and then just wrap it with the foil and cook it maybe on your barbecue stove at home. And this one it will take about 15 to 20 minutes, depend how much fish that you put in here. And traditional Aka people normally they cook it after they finish their dinner meals because they often cook with their charcoal stove. So it's perfect when you got the charcoal stove that already it's already there, leftover charcoal, and then you just wrap it, blow it, leave it overnight. Next morning you can have with your hot cooked rice for the morning breakfast meal. Let's taste this. This one is like barbecue fish with the spice in banana leaf. I think the flavor is like a smoky flavor also, and it's really juicy. I think we have to try. Okay, you want to try some mic? So normally we have it with rice. This tastes really good. Okay, so I think we're done with cooking. We hope you enjoy Terra Mare 2020. Thank you for watching us.